Welcome to Ridzi. In last session we discussed the equation of a circle when 3 points of a triangle is given. The last one is when we got 3 points A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3. For this triangle we found the circumference equation we have found here. Now the new topic is when 3 lines of a triangle is given, the circumference circle equation we need to find here. Find the equation of circumference of a triangle. Circumference of a triangle when 3 lines are there. Here the condition is the diagram for this one. When a triangle is there, is framed by 3 lines. L1 is equal 0, L2 is equal 0 and L3 is equal 0. This is the triangle here. For this triangle, the circumference equation we need to find here. When 3 lines of a triangle is given, the circumference of this triangle equation we need to find here. This is the assumption here, this is the condition, and the solution for this one is, this is a like a theorem it is. Next, let L1 is equal to 0, L2 equal to 0, L3 is equal to 0. We have 3 lines L1, L2, L3 is equal to 0 or 3 lines here. For that 3 lines a triangle is framed here. For the triangular circumference equation we need to find here. Next one, if 3 lines are there, the general form of equation is, here lambda 1 into L1 L2 plus lambda 2 into L2 L3 plus lambda 3 into L3 L1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a circle when 3 lines is given for the circumference of the circle here. When 3 lines is given, the circumference of the circle equation it is. Where lambda 1 comma lambda 2 comma lambda 3 are values. Next, here 2 conditions are there. Condition number 1, here coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. This is a condition number 1, and the condition number 2, the coefficient of xy, x into y is equal to 0. Here ultimately we need to find the circumference equation here, circumference circle of the equation here, and here the equation is lambda 1 into L1 L2 plus lambda 2 L2 L3 plus lambda 3 L3 L1 is equal to 0. Here ultimately we need to find lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 values here. To find lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 values, first we need to equate the conditions here. From these 2 conditions we will get 2 equations. From these 2 equations we need to solve the values of lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 values here. Then if you substitute these lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 values in the equation, then we will get the equation of a circumference of this triangle here. This is all about the general form here. Let us see one example here. Find the equation of circle. equation of circumference when three lines are given. Where L1 is equal 3x plus 3x minus 3y minus 1, x plus 3y minus 1, and the second line equation is L2 is equal x plus y plus 1, x plus y plus 1, and the third line L3 is equal 2x plus 3y plus 4, 2x plus 3y plus 4. Here these are the three lines here. And solution, here let L1 is equal x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. These are equal to 0. L1 is equal to 0, L2 is equal to 0. Next L2 is equal to x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, and L3 is equal to 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3 here. Let's the general equation, the equation of circle is here. Is lambda 1 into L1 L2 plus lambda 2 into L2 L3 plus lambda 3 into L3 L1 is equal to 0. Let's substitute the values here. Lambda 1 into L1 x plus 3y minus 1 into L2 is here x plus y plus 1. Next lambda 2 into L2 here x plus y plus 1 into lambda 3 2x plus 3y plus 4 plus lambda 3 into L3 2x plus 3y plus 4 into lambda 1. Lambda 1 is nothing but x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a complete expansion of the equation. Next, let's multiply the terms here. Lambda 1 into this total value will become x into x, x square, x into y, xy plus x into 1, x. Next 3y into x plus 3xy, 3y into 3y square. Next plus final the term, that is 3y. Next minus 1 into this term, total will become negative. This is the complete expansion for this one. Next lambda 2 into x into 2x, 2x square plus x into 3y, 3xy. Next x into 4, 4x. Next one y into this one, 2xy. Next y into 3y plus 3y square plus y into 4 plus 4y, and the final 1 into this term will become as it is. Next 2x plus 3y plus 4 bracket close here, and the lambda 3 value here plus lambda 3 is nothing but 2x into x, 2x square. Next 2x into plus 3y, 2 3 ja 6, 6xy, 6xy. Next 2x into minus 1, minus 2x. Next 3y into xy plus 3xy here, and the next one 3y into 3y, 9y square. Next 3y into minus 1, minus 3y, and finally 4 into the total term will become 4x plus 12y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the complete expression here. Let's solve this equation here. This implies lambda 1 into x square and plus 3y square. I am writing the terms together, x square, and we don't have any here, x square and 3xy, that is equal 4xy. And the write the x terms here, plus x minus x will get cancelled here, and 3y minus y that will become plus 2y, and finally we have the constant term is only 1, that is minus 1 here. This is all about the simplification of this value, these two multiplication here, x square and 3y square, and xy 3xy, that is will become 4xy, and 3y here x term plus x term minus x term will get cancelled here, 3y minus y is nothing but 2y, and finally minus 1 plus lambda 2 here. Lambda 2 is nothing but 2x square, and we don't have any x square terms, 2x square plus 3y square. I am writing the x square y square terms here first, and 3xy, and do we have any terms here? 3xy 2xy, completely 5xy. Next 4x 2x, that will become 6x plus, and 4y 3y, that will become 7y. Finally we have only one constant term, that is 4 here. Next lambda 3 into 2x square plus 9y square, 2x square plus 9y square. Let's write the values of 2x square, 9y square. Next 6xy 3xy, that is 9xy plus 9xy, and here minus 2x plus 4x plus 2x here, and 3y and 12y minus 3y plus 12y, that will become 9y plus 9y. Next finally we have minus 4 is equal to 0, that is equal to 0 here, and the final expression for this one, write the coefficient of x. The condition 1 is condition, we have two conditions. The condition number 1, coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. This is equation number 4 here I am taking, and coefficient of x square here. The coefficient of x squares are here x square lambda 1, this x square is multiplied with lambda 1, and 2 lambda 2, and 2 lambda 3, 2 lambda 1, 2 lambda 3 here. Here lambda square, 2 lambda, and 2 lambda 3 here. This is the x square coefficients here. Next y square coefficients here. Y square coefficients are nothing but 3 into lambda 1, 3 into lambda 1, next 3 into lambda 2 plus 3 into lambda 2, 3 into lambda 2, next 9 into lambda 3 plus 9 into lambda 3. Let's bring all the terms to left hand side, that will become lambda 1 plus 2 lambda 2 plus 2 lambda 3 minus 3 lambda 1 minus 3 lambda 2, and minus 3 lambda 9 lambda 3 is equal to 0 here. Lambda 1 minus 3 lambda minus 2 lambda 1, 2 lambda 2, and minus 3 lambda 2 minus lambda 2, and 2 lambda 3 minus 9 lambda 3, that will become minus 7 lambda 3 is equal to 0. This is equation number 5 I am considering here. And the condition number 2 here, what is condition number 2? Coefficient of x into y, that is equal to 0. This is condition number 2. Here the coefficient of xy 4 into lambda 1 plus 5 into lambda 2 plus, and the coefficient of x 9 into lambda 3 is equal to 0. This is equation number 6 here. 4 into lambda 1, 5 into lambda 2, and 9 into lambda 3. These are the coefficient of x into y. X into y coefficient is equal to 0. This is a condition number 2 here. By solving the equations to 5 and 6 here, we need the values of lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 here. Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Here we need to find the values here. Write the terms here. Minus 1, 5, minus 1 5. Here I am writing the coefficient of lambda 2 here first and last. Let's write the value coefficients of lambda 3 here 7 9 and minus 7 and 9 minus 2 4 minus 2 4. This is the representation of finding lambda 1 lambda 2 lambda 3 values here. If you multiplied all equation with minus 1, that will become plus. That's why I am writing all the coefficients with positives only. If you multiply this equation with minus 1, will get total equation is positive. That's why I am taking this like this. So do the cross multiplication for every pair. Will get lambda 1. Lambda 1 by 9 minus 35 is equal to lambda 2 is by 7 4 ja 28 minus 9 2 ja 18. Lambda 3 by 10 minus 4, that equal to lambda by 9 minus 35, that is nothing but 26 minus, that is equal lambda by 10 28 minus 18, that is 10. Lambda 3 by 10 minus 4, that is 6. If you cancel by 2 table ja 2 into 13 2 5 ja 2 3 ja, that will become lambda values lambda by minus 13, lambda by lambda 1 lambda 2 by 5, lambda 3 by 3 here. Here we got lambda 1 lambda 2 lambda 3 values. Let's substitute the values in the expression. We'll get the equation here. Let's substitute the values of lambda square here. Lambda 1 value minus 13 in this equation. Equation 4 implies let's substitute the value of lambda 1 minus 13 into x square plus 3y square plus 4xy plus 2y minus 1 plus lambda 2 value is nothing but here 5 into 2x square plus 3y square plus 5xy plus 6x plus 7y plus 4 is equal 4 next to, and lambda 3 value here we got plus 3 into 2x square plus 9y square and 9xy 2x plus 9y 2x plus 9y minus 4 is equal to 0. The final expression is here minus 13x square, here 2x square, 10x square and 6x square. Minus 13 plus 10 plus 6 plus 16, 10, 5 to the 10, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 10, 16 minus 13, that will become 3x square, and 13 3 ja 39y 15, 39 minus 13 plus 15 and 9 3 ja 27. 2 1 carry for 42 minus 39, that will become minus plus 3y square here, and 39 4 ja 13 4 ja here 13 4 ja 52 and next to 5 ja 25, next 9 3 ja 27, 52 both are matched here. That's why this term will become cancelled here. This is cancelled, this term and this term and this term will get cancelled here. Minus 13 26y, next 26, here we don't have any x terms here, x terms we don't have any x terms here. Next x terms here 6x 5 6 are 30 plus 2 36x next, and the final one next one 13 t ja 26y and 5 7 ja 35y, next 3 9 ja 27y, 2 1 62 minus 22 26 y 36 y here minus 36y, and next one plus 36y here. Next one, final one, minus 13, minus 2 minus become plus 13, 5 4 ja 20 plus 3 4 ja minus 12, that will become 21 here, right? 21 plus 21 here equal to 0. This is the final equation of a circumference of circumference of the triangle framed by L1 is equal 0, L2 is equal 0, L3 is equal 0. That is the final expression is, that is 3x square plus 3y square plus 36x plus 36y plus 21 is equal 0. This is the equation of this circumference of a triangle here. And here the next topic is, concentric circles. What is meant by concentric circles here? Concentric circles are nothing but two or more than two circles having same center but having different radius are called concentric circle here. Let us see one diagrammatical representation. This is a circle, and circle C1 is equal to 0, and one more circle C2 is equal to 0, and one more circle C3 is equal to 0. For these three circles, the center is common for all. The center C minus G comma F or H comma K. Here the center is common for all the circles. C1 equal to 0 and C2 is equal to 0 and C3 is equal to 0. Here C1, C2, C3 is equal to 0. For all these circles, here the common center is common and radius is different. For this circle R1, this is R2 and this is R3. Here R1 is not equal to R3 is not equal to R3 is not equal to R3. Here R1, R2, R3 are different radiuses. So if center is common and the radius are different, then those type of circles are called concentric circles. Here the first condition is common center, and second one is having different radius are called concentric circle. Generally the equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here this is a general form of circle here. For this circle C1, let's write the equation here. For this circle C1 is equal, I am writing the general form of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus C1 is equal to 0 and C2. For equation, circle equation C2, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus C2 is equal to 0, and circle equation C3, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus C3 is equal to 0. Here if you compare these three equations, the center is common for all the circles and the constant values only varies from circle to circle. This is about concentric circle. When comes to the equation of concentric circle, the common center is same for all the equation. Here the constant values only varies, constant value only varies circle to circle equation. Here this constant value is different, this constant value is different, this constant value is different, and radius also different, and center is common to all the three circles. This is all about concentric circle. Let us see one example of the equation. I am taking one example, equation of circle. X square plus y square plus minus 6xy minus 6x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. And for this equation the center is, and this is the equation circle, and this is the equation circle number 1, and the circle number 2 is the radius is double of its circle 1, circle C1. Here the circle C1 diagram is, this is circle C1 and circle C2, this is C1 C2 having same center minus g comma f, and C1 C2 C1 equal to 0, C2 is equal. Here R1 is equal to R2 is equal, R1 is equal to R2 is equal to 2 into R1. This is the double of radius. Next, the radius of this one. Here x square plus y square minus 6x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0 here. From this equation the center minus g comma minus f, center minus g comma minus f. Here 2g is equal to minus 6, 2f is equal to 12. Here g value is equal to 2 1 ja 2 3 ja minus 3, and 2 1 ja 2 6 ja, f is equal to 6. Here we want minus g comma minus f, that will become minus of minus will become 3, and f of minus is minus 6 here. This is about center here. Next, radius is nothing but g square plus f square minus c here. Radius here r is equal g square is nothing but minus 3 whole square plus f square is nothing but 6 whole square minus 16. C value is 15. Let the value of this one, 3 minus 3 square is 9, 6 square is 36 minus 15, that will gives 9 plus 36 45, 45 minus 15, that will gives root 30. This is about r is equal to root 30. This is the radius value. And the second circle equation is, here the equation of circle, when center, the equation of circle when center is given, center and radius is given, and radius is given, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, that is equal to r square. Here h and k are, we know, 3 comma minus 6. Let's substitute the values here. X minus h is nothing but, here x minus h is nothing but 3, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus k, k is nothing but here 6, y plus 6 whole square, and that is equal to r is nothing but root 30, double of root 30. Here double of 2 into root 30 whole square, r value. Let's write the values here. X square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 12y plus 36 plus 4 into 30, 4 into 30, that will become. Next, x square plus y square, I am writing the terms together, minus 6x plus 12y, 9 plus 36, that is 45, 430 ja minus 120, that will gives equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 12y, for 45 minus 45 minus 120, 120 minus 45, that will gives 25, 20 and 25, that will becomes minus 75, that is equal to 0. Here if you compare this equation with this equation, x square y square common, minus 6x minus 2 plus 12y, minus 6x plus 12y common, and here the C1 value and the C2 values are only difference here. This is all about the concentric circle or concentric circle. When comes to concentric circles, concentric circle, the C1 and C2 constant values are only varies. Constant values are only varies here. This is all about concentric circle. In this session we learned the equation of a circumference of a triangle circle here and concentric circle here. Thank you, one and all.